Welcome to K-Zone. Today, we will share about the Million Tree Plan. What's the long-term effect of planting 30 million trees worldwide? Let's start. Planting 30 million trees is an ambitious and commendable effort to mitigate the environmental challenges we face. Trees play a vital role in carbon sequestration, habitat preservation, and overall ecosystem health. To understand the impact of planting such a substantial number of trees on the world environment, we need to consider various factors, including tree species, location, growth rates, and the global environmental context. One of the most significant contributions of planting 30 million trees is carbon sequestration. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, CO2, during photosynthesis and store it as biomass. The rate at which trees sequester carbon varies depending on the tree species, age, and environmental conditions. On average, a mature tree can absorb about 48 pounds, 22 kilograms, of CO2 per year. Assuming an average sequestration rate, planting 30 million trees could potentially remove around 1.4 million metric tons of CO2 from the atmosphere annually. While this is a substantial amount, it's important to note that global CO2 emissions in 2019 were approximately 36 billion metric tons, highlighting the need for comprehensive efforts to combat climate change. The choice of tree species and their planting locations is critical for biodiversity conservation. Planting native tree species can help restore ecosystems and provide habitat for various wildlife. Moreover, diverse forests are more resilient to pests and diseases. By planting trees strategically in areas with high biodiversity, such as rainforests or areas undergoing deforestation, we can help protect and restore habitats for numerous plant and animal species. However, the impact on biodiversity will also depend on other factors, such as the presence of invasive species and land management practices. Trees play a crucial role in preventing soil erosion. Their root systems stabilize soil, reducing the risk of landslides and soil degradation. By planting trees in vulnerable areas, such as along riverbanks and hillsides, we can mitigate erosion, protect agricultural land, and safeguard water quality. Trees act as natural air filters, removing pollutants from the air. They absorb harmful gases like sulfur dioxide, ammonia, and nitrogen oxides. In urban areas, strategically planting trees can help reduce air pollution, improve air quality, and enhance the overall well-being of communities. Forests and trees provide localized temperature regulation through a process called transpiration. They release water vapor, which cools the surrounding air. Urban heat islands, characterized by higher temperatures in cities, can benefit significantly from increased tree planting. Forests and trees play a critical role in regulating the water cycle. They help maintain groundwater levels, reduce surface runoff, and improve water quality. This is essential for ensuring a stable and clean water supply for both humans and ecosystems. The impact of tree planting extends beyond the environment. Access to green spaces and trees has been shown to have positive effects on mental health, community well-being, and overall quality of life. Planting trees in urban areas can enhance the livability of cities and provide recreational opportunities. It's essential to recognize that the impact of planting 30 million trees will not be immediate. Trees take time to grow and mature before they reach their maximum carbon sequestration potential. Depending on the species, this could range from several decades to centuries. Therefore, this effort should be seen as a long-term investment in the environment. Several challenges and considerations must be addressed to ensure the success of large-scale tree planting initiatives. Land use. Securing suitable land for planting and addressing land ownership issues can be complex. Maintenance. Newly planted trees require care and protection from pests and diseases. Species selection. Choosing native and climate-adapted species is crucial for ecosystem resilience. Climate change. Climate change impacts, such as altered precipitation patterns and increased temperatures, may affect tree growth. In conclusion, planting 30 million trees can have a significant positive impact on the world environment, especially in terms of carbon sequestration, biodiversity conservation, erosion control, and air quality improvement. However, the success of such an endeavor depends on careful planning, appropriate species selection, long-term commitment, and addressing various challenges. Additionally, while tree planting is valuable, it should be part of a broader strategy to combat climate change and protect ecosystems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribes.